Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today we are learning ayah number 24 of
Surah Al-Maida and onwards.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. قالوا يا موسى إنا لن ندخلها أبدا ما داموا فيها. قالوا. Off is heavy. Whenever we make any letter heavy, we have to lift our tongue up. We are not circling our lips at all. Qa, and because of this heavy letter qaf, alif is heavy too. Qa, 2 counts long. Lu, for Dhamma, circular lips, make it 2 counts long. Ya, 2 counts long. Mu, 2 counts long and circle your lips. Sa, 4 counts long. Mad, munfasil jaiz. In, Hamza is very sharp. For kasra, give E sound attached with noon. Noon will get sifa of gunna. This gunna is akmal, so keep the sound in your in your nose for a longer time. In, and then it is 2 counts long. Na, lan, idgham with gunna, so keep the sound in your nose for a longer time. Lan, nad, for fatha open your jaws and then attach with dal. Dal will get sifa of qalqala, and qalqala is the ba'ud. When you are aparting the makhraj, here comes the qalqala. Nad, hu, for the circular lips, the sound is short. La, for sound is short. For fatha open your jaws. Ha, 4 counts long. Mad munfasil jaiz. Hamza is very sharp. Ba, for fatha open jaws, the sound is short. Dam, idgham with gunna. So open your jaws for fatha first, da, and then attach with meme. This is idgham with gunna, so keep the sound in your long nose for a longer time at the when you touch meme. Dam, and then it is 2 counts long. Ma, da, 2 counts long. Mu, for the circulates, make it 2 counts long. Fi, 2 counts long. For kasra, give E sound and make it 2 counts long. Ha, ha, from last part of your throat and make it 2 counts long. Fed, for fatha open jaws and then attach with dal. Dal will get sifa of rakhawa, and rakhawa is flow of sound. So the sound should be heard flowing. فَذْهَبْ, for fatha open jaws attached with ba, ba will get sifa qalqala, and qalqala is taba'ud. Taba'ud is means to apart. You are parting the two components of the makhraj. Hamza is very sharp for fatha open jaws, and this ikhfa is light, so keep your tongue straight and keep the sound in your nose for a longer time, because other name of ikhfa is gunna. Gunna is that important part of the ikhfa that some scholars call this ikhfa gunna. So keep the sound in your nose for a longer time. Ta, for fatha open jaws. Wa, for wow, circle your lips, fatha open jaws. Rab, whenever ra is with fatha or dhamma, it is heavy. So here it is heavy and attached with ba. Rab, bu, for dhamma, circle your lips. The sound is short. Ka, for fatha open jaws, the sound is light. Fa, give hums. Whenever you find fa, you are giving hums, and hums is before fatha. So give hums before fatha and then with fatha, the sound will be very short. Fa, qaf is heavy and make it 2 counts long. T, for kasra, give E sound, very sharp sound. La, 4 counts long. Mad munfasil jaiz. In, Hamza is very sharp for kasra, give E sound attached with noon. Noon will get sifa of gunna, and this gunna is akmal, so keep the sound in your nose for a longer time. Na, for 2 counts long. Ha, 2 counts long, and ha is from your last part of your throat. Hu, for the circle lips. Na, 2 counts long. Qa, qaf is heavy and make it 2 counts long. I, ain from your throat for kasra, give E sound. Doon, for the circle lips. As you will touch noon, and because of the waqf, You are giving temporary sukoon on noon. This temporary sukoon has changed this 2 counts long vowel into 4 counts. Now it is 4 counts long. This is madarid lisakun. Qa'idun. And give tawassut at the end because noon is with sukoon now. قالوا يا موسى إنا لن ندخلها أبدا بما أبدا ما داموا فيها فاذهب أنت وربك فقاتلا إنا هاهنا قاعدون. Qaf is heavy. Because of this qaf, alif is heavy too. Make it 2 counts long. And for fatha, open jaws. La, lam is short. Ra, ra is heavy. Whenever ra is with fatha or dhamma, it is heavy. For fatha, open jaws, attach with ba. Ba will get shidda. Here you are not giving qalqala, but you are giving shidda. Shidda means to cut off the sound very sharply. Rab, and then for kasra, give e sound. B. The sound is short. In Hamza is very sharp. For kasra, give e sound. Attach with noon. Noon gets sifa unna. This unna is akmal. So keep the sound in your nose for a longer time. Ni 2 counts long. La mad munfasil jaiz. Make it 4 counts long. Hamza is very sharp. For fatha upon jaws attached with mim. We will get sifa of tawassut, and tawassut is medium flow of sound. Li for kasra give e sound. Ku for dhamma circle lips and make the sound short. Il Hamza is very sharp attached with lam. Lam will get sifa of tawassut. Il, and then make it 2 counts long. La, naf. For fatha open jaws attached with fa. Fa will get sifa of hams. And hams is flow of breath. Naf, si, 2 counts long. Wa, for waw circle lips. The makhraj of waw is circling your lips. So fatha open your jaws. Hamza is very sharp. For fatha open jaws, the sound is short. Khi, 2 counts long. And make kha heavy. To make any letter heavy, you are not circling your lips, but you are lifting your tongue up only. F, give hams in fa. Hams is flow of breath. F, and here you are giving rakhawa too. F, ruq. For dhamma circle lips attached with and make ra heavy and attach with qaf. Qaf will be heavy and will take qalqala too. And qalqala is taba'ud. When you are aparting your opening, the components of makhraj, here comes qalqala. Uruq. Bay for fatha upon jaws attached with ya. This is lean. This is harf lean, ya lean. So make it 2 counts long and make it soft. Bay na for fatha upon jaws. Na 2 counts long. Wa makhraj of waw is circling your lips. So fatha upon jaws. Bay. This is ya lean. So make it long and make it soft. Bainal for fatha upon jaws attached with lam. Lam will get sifa off. Tawassut is medium flow of sound. Qaw. Qaf is heavy for fatha upon jaws attached with waw. And this is waw lean, so make it soft and make it 2 counts long. Mil for kasra give e sound attached with lam. Lam will get sifa off. Tawassut, and tawassut is medium flow of sound. Fa give hams first and then make it 2 counts long. Si for kasra give e sound. Qeen. Qaf is heavy for kasra give e sound. And then make it 4 counts long. Why? Because you are giving temporary sukoon because of the baq on noon. This brings tawassut here. And then this temporary sukoon has changed this 2 counts long vowel into 4 counts. And now it has changed into madarat lisakun. قال ربي ربي إني لا Hamza is very sharp. أملك إلا نفسي وأخي فافرق بيننا وبين القوم الفاسقين. قال. Qaf is heavy for fatah open just. Lam is short. F, give hums on fa. Whenever you look at fa, you're giving hums. In, Hamza is very sharp. For kasra, give E sound, attach it. Noon, noon will get sifa of gunna. This is gunna is akmal, so keep the sound in your nose for a longer time. Ha, make it 2 counts long. Mu, for the circle lips, the sound is short. Ha, give hums, give hums in ha, and ha should be from middle part of your throat. And for fatha, open jaws, attach it. Ra, ra will get sifa of tawassut first, and ra is heavy. How, and then with fatha, the sound is very short. Ra, ma, for fatha open jaws, and the sound is short with meme. Tun, for the circular lips, and this the sifa is the wasut, and ruling is idhar. Tun, ain from your throat, for fatha open jaws. Lay, make it soft and make it 2 counts long because this is yailin. Him, for kasra, give E sound, attach it meme, you will get sifa of tawassut, and tawassut is medium flow of sound. Hamza is very sharp for fatha open jaws, attach it to ra. Ra will be heavy because there is fatha before it. And get the wasut on ra. Ba, for fatha open jaws, the sound is short. Ain from your throat and make it 2 counts long. Na, for fatha open jaws. Se, for fatha open jaws. Na, for fatha open jaws, the sound is short. Tai. This is idgham with gunna, so they keep the sound in your nose for a longer time. Yeah, for fatha open jaws. T, 2 counts long. Ta is very sharp. Who, for the circle lips, make it 2 counts long. Na, for fatha open jaws, the sound is short. Feel, for kasra, give E sound attached with lam. Lam will get sifa of tawassut. Hamza is very sharp for fatha open jaws, attached with ra. Ra will be heavy and it will get sifa of tawassut. It is heavy because there is fatha before it. And you are giving sukoon on dot. So this dot will get sifa of rakhawa and istitala, and it will be heavy. Feel, ar, give hams in fa for fatha open jaws. La, make it 2 counts long. Ta, for fatha open jaws, and make ta very sharp. Sharp means there is no flow of sound at all. Ta, and hamza is sharp too. So give the sound very abrupt stop. Ta, sa, for fatha open jaws, the sound is short. Ain from your throat for fatha open jaws. Lal, for fatha open jaws attached with lam. Lam will get sifa off. The wasut, and the wasut is medium flow of sound. Qaw, for fatha open jaws attached with wow, and make it 2 counts long and make it soft because this is wow lean. Mil, for kasra, give E sound attached with lam. Lam will get sifa off the wasut, and the wasut is medium flow of sound. Fa, give hums before fatha. With fatha, make it 2 counts long. Fa, si, for kasra, give E sound. Clean, make off heavy. And because of work, you are giving the sukoon at on noon. This temporary sukoon has changed in this 2 counts long vowel into 4 counts. This is mad arad li sukoon. فاسقين, and give tawassut at the end because noon is with sukoon. قال فإنها محرمة عليهم. Okay, so what these 2 sets of 3 dots are? Here are 3 dots and here are 3 dots. Whenever you will find in pair, like there will be one three dots here and the other three dots somewhere else, but it will be in pair. So what is the ruling and what is the name of these three dots? The name of these three dots is mu'anaqa. Mu'anaqa. So you can stop on one of these dots. You can stop here, or you skip this and you can stop here. And you can also do that. You don't stop on both of the stops. You don't stop at any of these three dots, and you continue your recitation. This is also the possibility. And what is not allowed is to stop on both mu'anaqat. No, you cannot stop on both stops. But you have to choose one, only one. Stop here or stop here. Or don't stop at all on any of these two and continue your recitation. But you cannot stop on both of them. قال فإنها محرمة عليهم 40 سنة يتيهون في الأرض. I stopped here when I just recited. Now I'll stop here. قال فإنها محرمة عليهم 40 سنة يتيهون في الأرض. And now I will choose not to stop on both of them. قال فإنها محرمة عليهم 40 سنة يتيهون في الأرض. So these three ways you can do. فلا تأس على القوم الفاسقين. واتلو for vowels, the makhraj of vowel circle in your lips. So fatha open jaws attached with ta. Ta will get sifa to hums, and hums is flow of breath. Watslu for the ma circle lips. The sound is short. Ain from your throat for fatha open jaws. Lay, this is yailin. So make it soft and make it 2 counts long. Him for kasra give e sound attached with mim. You will get sifa of tawassut. And ruling it with her. Him na for fatha open jaws, ba for fatha open jaws, ab. Hamza is very sharp for fatha open jaws attached with ba. Ba will get sifa of qalqala, and qalqala is taba'ud. Taba'ud means to open the makhraj. So when you make qalqala, you open the makhraj. Ab, nay, 2 counts long, because this is yailin, and make it soft. 2 counts long. Hamza is very sharp. Da for fatha open jaws. Ma for fatha open jaws. The sound is short. Bil for kasra give e sound attached with lam. Lam will get sifa of tawassut. Haq, ha from your throat, and it should get hums. And for fatha open jaws attached with qaf. Qaf will get sifa of shidda here. Haq, and then for qaf with kasra, give a short sound qi, and make qaf heavy. Id for kasra give e sound attached with dal. Dal will get sifa of rakhawa, and rakhawa is flow of sound. Id qaw, qaf is heavy for fatha open jaws attached with ra. Ra will get sifa of tawassut, and tawassut is medium flow of sound. Ra for fatha open jaws, make ra heavy. Ba 2 counts long. Or qaf is heavy for dhamma circular lips attached with ra. Ra will get sifa of tawassut, and tawassut is medium flow of sound. Ba, make it 2 counts long. Na ikhfa. This ikhfa is light, and you're keeping the sound in your nose for a longer time. And na fa, give hums in fa. Uh, Two for the circle lips. Ub, off is heavy for the circle lips attached with ba. Ba will get sifa of shidda, and shidda is no flow of sound. Ub, and that with kasra, the sound is very short. B, la for fatha upon jaws. Min for kasra, give e sound. Here, the sifa is tawassut and ruling idhar. Mean hamza is very sharp. Pata open jaws. Ha, give hums on ha, and ha should be from your throat. Pata open jaws. The sound is short. Ha, D for kasra give E sound. He for kasra give E sound. Ma, two counts long. Wa, makhraj of power circling your lips. For pata open jaws, the sound is short. Lam, for pata open jaws attached with me. We will get sifa of the wasut and ruling it with her. You, yeah, is soft. For the circle lips, the sound is short. You, ta, very sharp sound. No flow of sound is here for pata open jaws. Qad, for fatha open jaws attached with ba. Ba will get sifa of shidda here. Qad, and then for fatha open jaws and then attached with lam. Lam will get sifa of tawsut. Bal, ni for kasra give e sound. Nal for fatha open jaws attached with lam. Lam will get sifa of tawasut, and tawasut is medium flow of sound. Hamza is very sharp. And but this alif is from Jof. Um, ha is heavy for fatha open jaws. Ra is light for kasra give e sound. Qaf is heavy. And make it two counts long. Because of qaf, this alif is heavy too. La for fatha open jaws. La for fatha open jaws, the sound is short. Hamza is very sharp for fatha open jaws attached with qaf. Qaf will get sifa of qalqala, and qalqala is taba'ud. Two for Dhamma circle ellipse. Lan for fatha upon jaws attached with noon. Noon will get sifa of kunna, and this kunna is akmal. So keep the sound in your nose for a longer time. Neck for fatha upon jaws and then attach with kaf. Kaf will get sifa of hums because kaf is with sukoon now because of the vak. Neck. Qaf is heavy, make it two counts long. La, lam is short. In, hamza is very sharp. For kasra, give e sound attached with noon. Noon will get sifa of kunna, and this kunna is akmal. So keep the sound in your nose for a longer time. Ma, two counts long. Yeah, is soft for fatha upon jaws. The sound is short. Ta, very sharp sound for fatha upon jaws. Qaf is heavy for fatha upon jaws attached with ba. Ba will get sifa of shidda. Qab, and then with fatha, the sound is short. Ba, lul. This lam is light, but the lafz jalala will be heavy because there is dhamma before it. Lul. Law. And by default, it is two counts long. Law. Who for the circle lips, the sound is short. Me for kasra give e sound. Nal for fatha upon jaws attached with lam. Lam will get sifa of tawassut. And tawassut is medium flow of sound. Mut for the circle lips attached with ta. Ta will get sifa of shidda. No flow of sound will be there. Mut, and then for fatha upon your jaws, and the sound will be short. Ta, qeen. Because of the waqf, we are giving temporary sukoon here. This temporary sukoon will bring in tawassut because now noon is with sukoon. And this temporary sukoon has changed this two counts long vowel into four counts. So now no more two counts long, it is four counts long now. Muttaqin. واتل عليهم نبأ ابني آدم بالحق إذ قربا قربانا فتقبل من أحدهما ولم يتقبل من الآخر قال لأقتلنك قال قال إنما يتقبل الله من المتقين. سبحانك اللهم ربنا وبحمدك أشهد أن لا إله إلا أنت أستغفرك وأتوب إليك. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله.